Hi everyone, welcome to the Tech Talk for Actifit. Now, Actifit is an iOS app that I made with a friend of mine at Duke University's hackathon for 2014. And what Actifit is it's a music app and a fitness app that plays music from your library that corresponds to your current running/walking pace. So let me just go ahead and get right into the demo. So as you can see at the very top, you have the steps per minute. At the very left, you have um, the distance traveled in feet, and on the right you have the time, and we have this play button here, and the play button starts a new session, and when you start the session you'll see control keys come up that allows you to switch music. Now let me just go ahead and press play, and hopefully you could hear the music, but the music did start playing. And let me just go ahead and start walking. And as you can see, it dynamically changes and plays music that is currently matching the steps per minute. The steps per minute is calculated every 10 seconds or so, and if there's no big change, then the music does not change, and when it detects a significant enough of a change, it changes music. And let me just go ahead and start walking at a bit faster pace. And as you can see, the steps per minute went up quite a decent amount, and the music changes as well. Now let me just go ahead and pause the app here and explain to you what's happening. So how we calculated steps per minute, we used integral calculus combined with quadratic regression. So the Apple's map kit provides the GPS coordinates of the user, and you can set how often you want it to be reported. And using those GPS coordinates that we get every interval, we use those points to find the best fitted curved line using the quadratic regression. And the math for that we created using the standard C function inside of the Xcode. And once you have the function, we use integral calculus to find the distance of the curve from the starting point to the end point, and that divided by the time gives you a pretty good estimate of the steps per minute. And once you have the steps per minute, we use the Echo Nest API to retrieve, to send them songs from the user's playlist and retrieve all the information of the beats per minute of that particular song. And combining all that, we were able to create this app. And then once you press done, you will see a detailed map with the blue dot being the user and the red line being the path that you took. As you can see, all I did was go in a small little circle, so it looks like a sort of a scribble, but the map outline was done very carefully with every point that we receive being plotted on the map, and then connecting it so that even curved paths look very close to being curved, and it reports to the user the time and the distance traveled. And that's pretty much for Actifit. Thank you so much for watching.